Welcome to Space and Galaxy Facts. Did you know why lonely nights sound astonishing to us? Many of us always relish clear sky, starry nights. When we are in some open place at night, it's nature. Being a human being, we look upon the great sky and enjoy watching the stars. There are many remarkable elements about nights. For example, we can enjoy lights if there is no darkness. There is one more thing everyone adores about nights: the moon. Moon has always been worth talking about and gazing at objects in the sky. It is the most beautiful natural subject and has always been loved by many creatures like humans, wolves, and birds. We have read always wonderful things about the moon in fairy tales, but in reality, there are many more amazing facts about the moon has been discovered already. A human brain has always been a wanderer of more wisdom, and in Moon's case, a wanderer. The moon hung in the lonely sky like a wraith silver disk. Moonlight beams as bright as diamond flame lit up the sea like melted metal. A myth is the moon represents love and happy and comfortable life, and it is a feminine sign that represents the rhythm of time, and its phases represent eternal life. Lunar charm has always captivated humans, influencing scientists and artists alike. Why? Because we cannot separate it from our world. Perhaps because it is linked to it inseparably. This sounds epic that it is the only place where humans have set foot outside of the Earth. Do you have sufficient knowledge about the moon? So, let's talk about the most beautiful thing in the night, which Mother Nature has granted us to make our lives and imaginations more delightful. Hey everyone, thank you for watching Space and Galaxy Facts, and we're unveiling the top 7 outstanding facts about the moon that will rock your world, ranging from its rotation to its formation. Warning, don't overlook the 4th one. The astonishing thing about these facts is that they will leave you speechless and with your jaw dropped in awe. This stuff is completely out of this realm, so buckle up your seatbelts and prepare to ride to the moon. A first astonishing fact: a story surrounds the moon's dark side. It is a concept in a common language that whenever someone talks about the dark side of the moon, it's indicating something strange or unfamiliar. According to some researchers, the reason is that the moon rotates both to orbit the Earth and around its axis simultaneously. Therefore, only one side of the moon is visible from Earth. However, the moon receives sunlight from both sides, just like the other side of the picture. Perhaps this dark side concept covers the philosophical notions about the moon, or we can relate it to many myths. The second mind-boggling fact is, the moon's gravitational force on ocean waves causes them to rise and fall. Due to the moon's gravitational attraction, the Earth has 2 bulges, one on the side facing the moon, and a second on the opposite side facing away from the moon. It's called the tidal force of the moon. As the Earth spins, the lumps and bumps move around the oceans, causing high and low tidal waves around the world. Probably, if we see the scene from space closely, it can be relaxing, or might be scary to see our Earth in such motion. What do you think? Have any urges to watch it from space, or just fine in your bed wondering? Let us move on to another stunning fact number 3. The moon is gradually relocating away from the Earth. Who is to blame? The moon's gravity has a reciprocal impact on its position, causing it to move away from Earth by 3.78 centimeters per year. In 50 billion years, this will result in a change in the moon's rotational period from 27.3 days to around 47 days. Wait, what? I know, it's upsetting. We don't want our precious romantic moon away from our planet. If you want to learn more about this point, share your thoughts and we'll make another video just on this topic to discuss the pros and cons. Right now, because not wasting your precious time, let's jump to fact number 4. Compared to our Earth, the moon is smaller and has significantly lower gravity. Patience, please. Yes, many of us have learned that the moon is bigger or twice the size of Earth, but according to new research, it's smaller than our planet. Yep, this can be as odd as it seems, but it's a very interesting thing that you're going to learn. As a result of comparison to both, you would weigh around 6 times less than that Earth because of its smaller mass. Imagine having no more problems like being overweight, etc., if we start living on the moon. This explains how lunar explorers were able to leap such great distances. Therefore, if you walk on the moon, you will soar high into the air. How awesome is that? I'm sure everyone in us is fond of moonwalking, or at least loves watching it. Wait, before we go any further, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can get notifications of more amazing facts delivered directly to your inbox. The fifth enigma is the moon lacks an atmosphere. Yeah, you did hear it correctly. That place has no atmosphere. Wait, Mr. Moon, are you trying to break our hearts because we want to meet and stay at you? Well, it's because the moon is not shielded from cosmic rays and meteorites. The temperatures there swings quickly, there is no sound, and it appears that the sky is always black. That's awful, right? Darkness under the lamp, isn't it? Maybe we should reconsider making a living on the moon. Fact number 6. In 1959, Luna 1 became the first spacecraft to land on the moon. You must have learned about the first person who ever set foot on the moon, but have you known which spacecraft first ever landed on moon? The craft in question was Soviet and was launched from the USSR. Before entering an orbit around the sun, it passed the moon's surface by 5,995 kilometers. Must have been a very wonderful journey. Last but not least, fact 7. The moon, with a diameter of 3,475 kilometers, is the 5th largest satellite in the solar system by mass. However, it is much smaller than Jupiter and Saturn. As we discussed before, the size of the moon and Earth is 80 times larger than it, but they are both the same age. It is assumed that the Earth and moon were once one planet until a large object crashed with the Earth, resulting in the formation of the beautiful moon. But did you know Jupiter is 5,285.2 times bigger than our moon? Accordingly, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. It has 83 planets orbiting around like moons. Just imagine holding your lover's hand and looking at a sky filled with lots of moons. That can be a fascinating thing to learn. Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want us to share more of these facts or some facts you know, share them with us. If you've made it this far, please let us know in the comments. Which one did you like the most? Please leave a like and subscribe to the Space and Galaxy Facts. Thanks for watching.